All right, so what we doing today is because I missed yesterday. I normally hit glutes on Wednesday, but you know what I did yesterday was exercise my free will and set my old tail down yesterday. So today I'm doubling it up with just a posterior chain workout where I'm hitting glutes, hamstring, and back. So yeah, I'm already on to my last set of hip thrusts. Um, 315, so let's get it.